Hello guys, most welcome in Technology Welfare. In this video tutorial, I will show you how you will reflect any device on your desktop. Yes, for example, see at the moment, you are, of course, watching this iPhone on my desktop. That's I operating, yes, manually in my device, and it's reflecting on my desktop. So I'm using at the moment this Reflector software. It's a free. Yes, you can directly download below the description box. I have given this link. Yes, you can access there and you will, yes, get a directly download link and you will be able to download this software easily. It's a free, so go for download and definitely you will be able to reflect on your, yes, desktop, whatever device, smartphones, yeah, of course, iPhone device, whatever device you are using. If you would like to reflect, of course, if you would like to, even if you would like to listen the song on your desktop, yes, so you can listen it also. For example, see, I would like to. So this sound, yes, will be hearable, will be listenable on your, yes, desktop, on your laptop or PC, where you reflect. For example, if you would like to play the video, of course, it is a possible. Yes, you will be able to. Yes, this. Yes, you will be able to play any video on your laptop by, yes, operating your, yes, a smartphone as well as the Apple device. For example, if you would like to visit a browser, of course you will be able to visit the browser. So this is a very beneficial if you would like to reflect, yes, your phone, any device on your desktop. So what are the feature and how you will connect? Let's see manually. Just see guys here, just I am going to disconnect firstly. So just to see, I disconnect now. Just I will go for a stop. Now I have disconnected. Now I will go for here off. Now I will go for open this ones. While you're opening this, yes, while you're going for run as administrator, then yes, your PC and phone should be online. Yes, your device should be connected with the internet. So see guys, I will open here. It may be a, of course, it will take a time, scarcely 1 minute to open it. No problem, you have to wait. So I have to wait here. Now, in your cell phone, you have to, yes, click on your screen, yes, mirror, yes, screen mirroring, yes, on that option, you have to go for click. So here, now see guys, first of all, I will come on a setting. In setting, I will come in a preference. In preference, I have to write here broadcast name, of course, here. So here, I have written, so just like the Bluetooth name, just like Wi-Fi name, whatever you are keeping the name to find out when you will search on your screen mirroring in your device, in your smartphone, your whatever Apple device you are using. When you search there, yes, this will reflect. So for example, I have kept this name and I will go for OK. Before OK, just a connection. See, in connection, what you have to see, just a resolution you can adjust, no problem. Here is a given. Now this is a default skill, go for full screen, no problem at all. AirPlay security, yes, one screen code, second one's this one on connection and side device automatically, just keep it. And full screen if you would like to have, just select, otherwise deselect. And solid color, of course you can choose according to your color, no problem at all. For example, green color I have selected now. Now I will go for here in a recording. You have an option also for recording, my dear. If you would like to record what you were doing on your desktop, so that will be recorded, of course, by a here. Background, this one's, yes, recording FPS is also given, recording quality, that is a network also given here. And in advance has been given normal, of course, logging level, AirPlay, of course, Google Cast, yes, Miracast, yes, Miracast is also given, and launch at logging, everything. And you can also sign out also YouTube from here. So now I will go for OK my dear, and I will search in my yes phone. So just I will click on yes screen mirroring, and I will click and I will select this name, and now C code has been yes appeared on my desktop. I will enter in my phone their AirPlay code. This is a called AirPlay code my dear. So just I will write a 50 and 17, and I will go for OK. Now my phone will reflect on my desktop now finally. So see guys, this is a screen mirroring, of course, options you will get on your device. And just to go for, if you would like to stop, just you have to click here on a stop. Now see guys, yes, my phone is on my desktop. Now see here, now here just I will, yes, I can adjust this ones anywhere. So let it just cut, and I will minimize it, and now I will keep this application on here, and I can do anything. So of course, for example, if I would like to, yes, visit just for example here I will go for cancels, and here for example here see, now see guys here, yes, I can visit the website, of course, everything I can do on my desktop, whatever, and whatever I will do in my phone, that will reflect on my desktop. So yes, I can go for full screen also by clicking on setting. In setting, just I will go for a scale default size. When I will click, of course, I have option full screen, everything. Of course, I can rotate, of course, also I can go for display. For example, if I click, now see, it will only reflect on my desktop. That is this one's. So just I will go for off. Now my desktop is also reflected. So guys here see, yes, so if this is beneficial, and of course if this video has benefited to you in any way, then don't forget to like and subscribe my dears my channels, and share it. Leave the comment also as a feedback below the comment box. That's how to like these video tutorials, because guys, this is a thing that will inspire me to make more and more video for education purpose. So thanks a lot guys, have a great time, bye bye.